Welcome to today's lesson on manual breast pump assembly and breastfeeding education. A manual breast pump is a simple device that helps mothers express milk using hand pressure. The main parts include the silicone valve, pump body, breast shield, handle, and collection bottle. Step 1. Wash hands and clean all parts. Step 2. Insert the silicone valve into the pump body. Step 3. Attach the breast shield securely. Step 4. Screw the collection bottle tightly. Step 5. Attach the handle and check its movement. To use the pump, sit upright and relaxed. Position the breast shield over your nipple correctly. Begin with slow, gentle pumping motions. After milk begins flowing, maintain a consistent rhythm. Manual breast pumps are cost-effective and do not require electricity. For young mothers, this means flexibility and independence. Breastfeeding promotes strong immunity,